Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup like street food. We'll dive into the secrets of achieving that authentic, vibrant taste right in your own kitchen. Street food soups are renowned for their incredible depth of flavor, often built upon a rich, aromatic broth. We'll explore how to select and combine fresh ingredients to create a truly satisfying and memorable bowl, just like you'd find from a bustling vendor. The heart of any great street food soup is its broth. Begin by simmering about 2 pounds of chicken or pork bones with roughly 1 cup of chopped ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and a few star anise pods. Let this gently bubble for at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface for a beautifully clear and intensely flavorful base. Once your broth is ready, it's time for the fresh components. Have your vegetables like a half cup of bean sprouts and a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions prepped and ready. Thinly slice about 6 ounces of cooked protein, such as chicken or pork. Cook your noodles separately, then quickly rinse them. Arrange everything beautifully in your serving bowl, creating a vibrant and inviting presentation before pouring over the piping hot broth. The final step is serving and customizing your delicious street food soup. Garnish each bowl generously with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and perhaps a drizzle of homemade chili oil for an extra kick. Offer a selection of condiments on the side, such as sriracha or a sweet hoisin sauce, allowing everyone to tailor their bowl to their exact taste. Serve it piping hot for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.